Good morning, sixth graders, and welcome to our first day of reading Hatchet together. Before we start reading Hatchet, I'm going to teach you how to write a summary because your exit ticket today is going to be to summarize Chapter 1 of Hatchet. Let's see if you already know anything about summaries based off your do now. 1. Which of the following statements about summarizing is true? The correct answer is B. The summary is what the passage is mostly about. Number 2. Which of the following is not included in the 5 W's of a summarization? Correct answer, D, work. It's okay if you don't know this because we are going to learn the 5 W's of summarizing today. So first, when do we summarize? Flip the page of where your do now is to where it says Independent Station Writing an Objective Summary. When do we summarize? We summarize to retell the main idea of a text in your own words. Go ahead and write down main idea in those first 2 spaces. The truth about writing an objective summary. Take these notes carefully because this is what your exit ticket today will be graded on. 1. It is a brief version, usually about 3 to 5 sentences. 2. It does not copy the author's sentences or require evidence from the text. So like how when we rage and we put evidence in our answer, if you're ever asked to write a summary, you do not have to do that. 3, it does not include your own opinion. This is very important. You can only write about things that actually happened. A summary should not include your own thoughts or feelings about what's going on in the text. Number 4, it includes big events and ideas from the text. It usually includes the who, what, when, where, and why of the text. Those are your 5 W's. Once you have all these copied down, go to the next page. It's page 3 in your packet. This is a graphic organizer that you are going to fill out while you read Chapter 1 today. You're going to start reading it back here with as much time as you can, and then we're going to work on it together in the front group. So as you read, jot down any big important ideas or events that happen in the text in these top boxes. And whenever you learn who is in the story, what is happening, when it's happening, where it's happening, and even why it's happening, write that down in those boxes. You are going to use this graphic organizer today as a guide to write your summary for your exit ticket. Something important to remember, not every single thing you put in here will end up in your 3 to 5 sentence summary. This is just something to use as you're reading. And then at the end, you'll look at your graphic organizer and say, wow, maybe I thought that was an important idea, but now that I finished the chapter, it's not. I realize it's not a big deal, so I won't keep it in my summary. So you'll use this as a guide. Go ahead and get started. Read Chapter 1 of Hatchet, fill in the organizer as you go, and then listen for further instructions for you to come to the front.